Uncle Thrasher's Kitchen!
Hello, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's episode, we're gonna make banana bread. My oven's ready. I'm not a baker. I don't claim to be a baker. Never bake. Never bake. Never, ever, ever bake. Ever. But we're gonna do it today. Banana bread. We're gonna put some peanut butter in it, some bananas, of course. Today's episode is sponsored by DaniStings.com and the Evil Genius Group. Also, my mom felt sorry for me and sent me some money as well. So, love you, Mom. Let's get into making this banana bread. So, now that we've established that I am not a baker, I've added my dry ingredients to the bowl: flour, baking powder, and salt. We're going to whisk that up and get it ready. We're going to whisk it. That looks perfect. Alright, wet ingredients time. Alright, so wet ingredients go in a mixing bowl. Butter, sugar, we're going to put in some eggs. We're going to smash these sweet bananas, and then we're going to add these peanut butter chips. First thing I'm going to do is mash bananas. It's banana mashing time.
It's banana mashing time. Banana mashing time.
Sweet bowl. Fancy masher. So, a little story about one of our sponsors. His name's Vic, who runs the Evil Genius Group. He makes the best freaking turkey I've ever had in my life. Swear to God, I almost fell in love with him. Anyway, we had that turkey on it was Thanksgiving, wasn't it? Yeah, it was Thanksgiving. And I never met him. And I ate his turkey. Jesus Christ, that's the best turkey I've ever had. It was delicious. Vic, I'm not wearing the shirt. It was too small. I'm sorry. Here we go. Mash up bananas. So this cutting board I'm mashing up these bananas on was made by a friend of mine in Springdale. He makes everything from cutting boards to canoes. It's called Locals Only Woodworking. If you need a chair or a wooden dildo, whatever you want, he can make it for you. Alright, bananas are mashed. Hallelujah. In goes the butter and sugar. Alright, here we go. This KitchenAid mixer is super old. Who'd we get it from?
Twitties.
Great grandmother. She is 102. Alright, it's egg time. Don't need to get a time. Egg number 2. In go the bananas. Mix this up a little bit before we add our peanut butters. Flour a little at a time. That's all the flour. Alright. It's all mixed. We're going to stop the machine and fold in our peanut butter chips. You guys didn't know, this is a signed William Perry, the refrigerator. He signed this sure we get all this flour on the bowl back into our bread mix. In go the peanut butter chips. We're all mixed up. Let's put it in the pan, which I already had buttered. Why do you do that? So it won't stick. Straight into the pan. I'm gonna throw this in a oven that has already been preheated to 350. And this is all in the recipe. Bring it around so it settles nicely. Into the oven we go. To go along with our banana bread, today we're going to make a coffee infused whipped cream that I am going to mix up here in our KitchenAid. Just pour the stuff in there and let the machine do the work. So, the coffee I'm using is a delicious blend from DaniStanks.com. It's called Dani's Dark Secret. It is a blend of Ethiopian, Sumatran, and Brazilian coffees with a dark, rich, and smooth flavor. And it comes in a sweet, little understated bag too. I love it. Delicious coffee. Here we go. Cream it to the pot. Cream. 1 cup of cream. 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna whip that up with a little bit of coffee. Start slow. Take a few minutes so it's going to be nice and fluffy. Check it out. Alright, my Dani's Dark Secret whipped cream is done. Let's check it out. Got some coffee flavor to it. I love it. Alright, so the banana bread is done. It looks good. We're going to cut into it and give it a try. This whipped cream here. So, thanks again for joining me today. Again, we made some peanut butter and banana bread with some coffee infused whipped cream. Recipe will be in the description box over here. Thanks again to my sponsors this week. Mom, of course. Love you, Mom. Also, thanks again to Kira and Vic at Evil Genius Group in New York City. Until next time, we're out.
Uncle Thrasher's Kitchen!